Hey, it's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today is gonna be a quick video because we are gonna talk about the Google keynote that took place like a few days ago. And I'm gonna sum up for you just a few key elements of the keynote. Without wasting any time, the keynote wasn't about a product in particular, so they didn't release any new smartphone or anything in general. They just did announce some products and some other features that we will have on Google. And in this video, I'm not gonna talk about the features that we're gonna have on Google and all of that stuff, but we're gonna talk about the new smartphones and the new products that are coming in this year and also in the next one. So the first one, it is the Pixel 6a. So it is the budget version of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. And first of all, it's gonna have the same chip inside. So it's gonna have the Tensor chip, but in a very small factor because the display of this smartphone, it is 6.1 inches. And I think it's one of the smallest one that you can find on the market right now, if you are not considering the iPhone mini. Then it's gonna be made like from recycled material, so this is a good thing for the environment. And of course it is cheaper for a reason. They did a cut on the display and on the camera because the display is only a 60 Hz display, and for a user like me, for example, it isn't a good thing because I don't want to use anymore a 60 Hz display because I'm so used to high refresh rate display. But for most of people, they will probably not notice anything, and also the pixel experience is pretty smooth most of the time, so it should be enough for most of us. And then the camera, other than having like a new design in the back, it is like a different camera than the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, but it is not a newer version of the camera, but it's an older one because both the sensor are 12 megapixel. It should have the sensor from the Pixel 3 and Pixel 4. So this is not a bad thing because they were like a very good camera actually, but we're gonna see how it is in person when it will come out. Then, more interesting than the Pixel 6a, there is the new Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. We have a totally new design and they just unveiled anything at this keynote because I think they wanted to use the rumors that are going through the internet right now, and so they just decided to announce pretty much anything and just unveil anything on the screen because we have just this screen and photos, but nothing in video and nothing in person. But we have the official images from Google. As I was saying before, this is very interesting because it's gonna have the new Tensor chip that I hope is gonna be a lot better than the older one. And also at the launch of this new smartphone is gonna have like Android 13. Also talking about design, we have a few colors. Then one of the most hyped and rumored product from Google that you can find online right now, it is the Pixel Watch. And finally the images are official. So if you have seen already some rumors about the Pixel Watch, it is pretty much identical. So the rumors were real, and it's gonna have this circular design, very minimal I think and very elegant. And also it's gonna have a tactile crown, they say, so it's not gonna have like a physical crown. I mean right here I have like the classic example of a mechanical crown, so I can turn this crown around, but on the Pixel Watch you're gonna have like a virtual crown. And also of course it's gonna have Wear OS. So this watch is gonna be in partnership, we can say, with Fitbit because they just bought Fitbit. I think it's not gonna be a bad watch, and I hope that it does have like a very good screen, a very good AMOLED display, because it's gonna be like a lot better under the sunlight, and also because it's totally black, so it's gonna help a lot for the visibility. And finally, this is a direct competitor to the Apple Watch because I mean it's made from Google and it does have also the Android system made by them, so it's gonna be very interesting. Then two other products presented, we can say, at this keynote. One is the Pixel Buds Pro, so a direct competitor right here also to the AirPods Pro because they are like $199. They have active noise cancelling and all of that feature that you can find on most of the $200 range headphones, wireless headphones. They have of course a particular design, they have some colors, some interesting colors if you are into that, and that's pretty much it. The other product, so the last one, it is a Pixel tablet because they said that in 2023 we're gonna have a Pixel tablet. I've seen some images that probably I will put here on the video, but I don't like it too much. I mean, the design, it's kind of old in my opinion, but we're gonna see it maybe in the real world. Maybe it's somewhat better, I don't know. But I'm not into tablet world and I'm not really into tablets. So I'm gonna take a look on this tablet, but I am not really interested into that. Anyway, these were the products presented, we can say, from Google at this keynote. And actually my favorite ones and the most interesting one for me are just the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, just because of the maybe new cameras and maybe the new Tensor chip that could be interesting. And also the Pixel Watch, because I am a lot into watches and I love smartwatches, and I would love to see like a very good Google smartwatch. And I like also the design, so I am very curious to try that and to also know the price, because we don't know the price for pretty much anything on this list except for Pixel 6a, and I think we can imagine the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but for anything else we don't know pretty much anything. We have only some images and videos. That being said, this was a quick recap of this product list on these new products from Google. So let me know down below in the comments what's your favorite one and why, of course. And if you did like this video, just hit a like button down below because it's free. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, just hit the red big button down below because it helps a lot. Anyway, thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.